I'm having my sweet papa for Palm Sunday, and I purchased this 5-pound leg of lamb. This is what he requested, and this is what he's going to have. 24 hours before we cook it, we're going to marinate the leg of lamb. 1 cup of white wine, 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil, of honey, the juice of 2 lemons, 2 heaping tablespoons of Dijon mustard. Be very generous. 3 minced garlic cloves, tablespoons of dry rosemary, tablespoon of smoked paprika, tablespoons of thyme. A good mix. We want to make sure everything is combined evenly. Pour the marinade over the lamb. I'm just going to brush everywhere, make sure it's all coated. Put it around, and we're going to brush the other side. Now, I will be plastic wrapping this and putting it in the refrigerator, but every couple of hours I will go to the leg of lamb and re-baste it like this. Saran wrap tightly in the refrigerator for 24 hours. Ciao everybody, Caterina here. Welcome to my kitchen. Well, I'd like to wish you all a happy Palm Sunday. It's bittersweet for me. My beautiful mother is in heaven, but I believe she will be here today with us and my sweet papa. I asked him what he would like for lunch today, and he said leg of lamb with potatoes. And that's exactly what I'm going to prepare for him. Now let's get started. Roasted leg of lamb with roasted potatoes and my delicious homemade gravy. This is what we will be preparing today for Palm Sunday for my sweet papa and my mama in heaven. My leg of lamb has been marinating for 24 hours. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. We're adding some vegetables for our delicious gravy. 1 cup of diced sweet onion, 1.5 cups of cleaned and chopped celery, 1.5 cups of cleaned and chopped carrots. I placed my leg of lamb on a rack with the leftover marinade over the lamb. This is going to make a delicious gravy. And we're going to add 2 cups of purified water. Season the lamb on both sides with salt and pepper. A sprig of rosemary with a sage leaf. I'm going to fold it around. Pierce the lamb, do a little jimmy, and in she goes. Beautiful, so fragrant. Slivered 6 garlic cloves, again cut, and in goes the garlic. Ooh, it's gonna taste so amazing. I'm adding 4 sage leaves to the gravy part of this dish, and 2 rosemary stems, and 5 whole garlic cloves. What a gravy this is going to make. You know, I really miss my mom's phone call. What fancy food are you going to be making for us, Caterina? What fancy food? I can still hear her. I miss her terribly. I have 6 large potatoes. I'm adding salt. Before we add the potatoes, I'm going to season them first with olive oil, oregano from Sicily. I'm also going to add some on the lamb. Let's give this a really good mix. Add the potatoes. Ready to add our leg of lamb to my preheated oven at 400 degrees for 30 minutes. And then we will lower the temperature to 350 until the internal temperature of our leg of lamb reaches 130. I'm so very pleased the way my leg of lamb turned out, my potatoes, and this is going to be my gravy. These are the drippings from the roasted lamb. You'll notice it went to the top, and all the gravy part is at the bottom. So we're going to pour it in, and as we pour it in, just the gravy part's going to go in, not the grease. Isn't that amazing? Look at that. cup of beef stock, 1 cup of white wine, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch diluted in water. This is what's going to thicken the gravy. We're going to let it come to a boil. I am going to taste a little bit of the lamb and the potatoes with the gravy for you. However, the person who's going to be the true judge will be my sweet papa and my mama from heaven. Now, let me taste it for you. It's delicious. Thank you so much for joining me. I want to wish you all a very happy Easter to you and to your families. And it's Katerina from my home to yours. Get to hit your like button, and if you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel and share my recipes. Buona Pasqua a tutti. Mwah. So we're at my sweet papa's and my mama in spirit, and we're going to have Palm Sunday lunch. Pa, George Clooney look-alike, my sweet papa, I love you so much. I thank God you're here with us this Easter. And Mama's here with us in spirit. And I made you leg of lamb with potatoes.
I want to see what's going on.
You want to see what's going on? Okay.
It's beautiful.
Oh, you love it, Dad? Oh, you like it, Papa? And I made you kutsupi for dessert. Okay. Happy Easter, Pa. Happy Easter, Mommy. I love you, Pa.
I love you too.
You love me too? Okay, so who's winning?
Too early.
No. Pa, are you winning?
Yeah?
I heard you're winning. Okay, but you have to play nice. No yelling and screaming.